Hi, in today's video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung S8 Ultra 2025 watch and then compare it to the S7 Ultra 2024 Ultra watch. The packing was really good and made it very easy to send back my S7 2024 exchange. I was happy to find out that the old bands for my S7 fit my S8. I found the watches to be almost identical. The 2025 has 64 gigs of RAM as opposed to the 2024 only having 32 gigs of RAM. Also, the battery size is the same, but they say the 2025 is more efficient and the battery will last longer. In my opinion, if you had the S7 2024 Ultra, I would not upgrade to the 2025. However, both watches are awesome. I love them both. So either one would be a good choice.